So I decided to go to Gabby's blood screening, and I'm here right now, slightly terrified, but there's another thing going on, and I'm like, I don't know where to go, but it's all good. I also brought Andre with me. Poor Andre has to go through this with me and a bunch of screaming girls.
Oh, you vlogging?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh God. This is currently the line at, what time is it? It's like 10:05 or 11:05. It's 11:05. Already got line. She's late.
Oh, really? Like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Traffic.
Traffic.
Is it? Everyone's like, shit. It's Barack Obama. Oh my God. No way. We made it in.
No idea what they're saying.
You didn't want to get in there?
That's alright. This is like her.
We have a new camera.
Keep looking at the camera.
There's a new camera.
The shadow under her neck.
How interesting.
Like right there.
This camera is so good.
You see the difference?
Wait. Yeah,
Let's see your chin.
it's definitely a lot better when you point the thing up, but we need like
I got a clamp. I don't know what to put it on.
He's so smart. Look at that lens flare.
Like the
Dang.
clamps. You could put that on like a C-stand or
Dang.
these ones right here.
No, what are you talking about? Okay.
We're doing beauty lighting today. I only wanted people with long hair. And I was long hair. He's doing so well. So it's midterms week. We're dead. He's actually like dead. He just did something and now he's just. But anywho, he's up. I'm happy. But anyway, we are studying for American Civ, and it's really annoying. So we're going through all of our notes in this bread and butter book.
You're gonna fail.
Exciting. You're gonna fail?
I'm gonna fail.
I just had 2 midterms today. Not happy. He had 1. I had 2 because I'm still catching up from freshman year since I transferred. So, but anyway, we're doing masks. Thank you, dear.
Oh, you're so warm.
But I'm doing a mask because my face is disgusting and my friend is coming over tomorrow. I'm probably gonna be vlogging that. What did you just do? So we're we're trying to do that, and let's see, what time is it? What time is it? It's 8:15. I was trying to eat my phone.
No, I'm trying to hold it for you.
No, it's fine. I'm using my phone and not my camera. That's why it's so shaky, because I'm shaking. And it's really bad because I'm really sick, but it's okay. So, yes. Yes, it's 8:15. I want to be out of here by 9 so I can be in bed by 9:30. So I can get to bed and get to my 8 a.m., which is our final. So, I'm excited. Our friend is seeing it right now. And I know he's going to post spoilers because...
There's nothing to spoil. We already know what's gonna happen.
Well, yeah, but
Like, think about it.
Well, we know, but we don't know, like, everything.
What's he gonna say? Oh, the Joker kills someone. No shit. That's like the whole plot.
Yeah, I know. But it's like it's
Can you imagine
the
watching a movie with
transformation.
Jared?
Jared's our screenwriting teacher, and he's, like, so hard on things. Like,
Be careful, he might watch this video.
he's not going to.
How do you know?
If he watches it, I don't care, because he's such a harsh grader. Like, we don't know how to, like, properly...
He probably does watch your channel, to be honest. Like, think about it.
Ew, if
probably
he
does.
does, that'd be so weird. Anyway, well, no, he'd be like, this vlog isn't right. You should have gotten this camera angle. I'm like, when I'm in a canoe or a kayak, I don't think I'm going to be worried about angles. I'm going to be worried about not dropping my phone because I'm not using my camera because I'm not going to bring my freaking $600 vlog camera into the water. So if he's got a problem with that, then he's got his own damn problem. What? What? He's looking at me, he's like... I'm like... Whoa. So cute. That's a really bad angle.
It is. My body is a bad angle.
No! Honey. Hello everyone, it's Ethan. Wow, I haven't vlogged this entire weekend and I feel really bad about it. I haven't vlogged at all, and I'm annoyed. Andrew's annoyed too, visibly annoyed. But Jess is here, and so excited because she's not at DeSales anymore. But she came all the way here. But she's leaving tomorrow, so that's sad. Yes. But we're back at Comey. Comey?
He said, at the Dale's one, he said,
Comey. So it's Comey.
I'm gonna trust him.
Okay, good idea. We're trusting the people that know this stuff. But there's a lot of good food here. Andre's been poking at the candle. That's just Andre. What
Going
the
deeper.
fuck? Ah! Oh my god.
Drinks it.
Drink the wax. You just get thrown out.
Yeah. Don't touch the candle.
Does it do anything? Holds fire.
Like a little infant.
It's a torch. What brilliance. Such brilliance. We're going to a party after this, so we're trying to eat. So we can have something. She's over 21, so she can. But yeah, we're just getting some like solid food that's not DeSales food because DeSales food is its own breed that makes everyone sick. So look at this setup. It's so beautiful. This is my basic stuff. It's my udon and tempura. And then he just got a Philly roll because he's boring.
He didn't tell me what this was.
It's right. Right.
I know, but I want you to explain it to me.
Yeah.
Like, you gotta break down the ingredients like rice dipped in the hands of the Greek goddess. I don't know.
We went and got mochi again. We got the same thing.
That was like an evil face.
You're like,
The viewers are gonna be like, who the hell is this
who
guy?
the heck is this? Who is he? Wow. 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 Wow.
That time of the month.
Is that this bitch has the audacity to be rude? No. No, because it's just gonna be me. That's Alex. For those of you who don't know him from the vlog.
I'm the accident-prone one.
Yes, very much so. Dear Lord. Dear heckin' God. Oh, but it is 6:55 in the morning.
Stop the balloon.
Yes, I hid it underneath.
The what?
She came and was like I let go of the air and it's somewhere here.
What is it?
The balloon. I
Oh, the glove.
glove that I inflated.
Oh.
Did you
Stop.
use gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got more? Where did it go? I put it
He
underneath.
keeps taking
Under, like, a-
gloves, and I'm so triggered
Wait, there it is.
because
I found it.
You can't put that in
That's illegal. They're gonna
Arrest me.
the cops are gonna get him.
there. Andre, I hereby charge you for stealing 2 latex gloves.
Fuck.
but it's the next morning. I just dropped my poor car off at Volkswagen because the gas is running out too fast. But it's okay, because we're at breakfast. It's just him and I. We had to drop off Jess yesterday, but we got pancakes. I already munched into them, but we both got like the same kind of thing. He got churros. And I just got tres leches. Oh yeah, we're at IHOP. Ha ha ha. I love that every time I record, it's something that we're eating again.
Oh, we're with Emma. Hooray.
We're at BJ's. BJ's. There's really good food. It's so much food. And we just got back from a photo shoot, so she took some really bomb-ass photos of us. How happy she looks. Oh, she's so pretty. What did you say?
So I can't hear you.
I can't hear you, bitch. We're in Ulta. I got some stuff. I'm just trying to find hair stuff for himself because he needs nice hair. And he refuses to get a haircut.
I'm not refusing.
He's refusing.
A few minutes
But I got some stuff. And I'm trying to find a curling wand with like a detachable thing. Hi. I'm trying to find a curling wand. Wait, that's like long.
What about like
Like-
a curling wand?
Yeah. I think this could work. These
Oh,
like
wait,
bedhead
I think
ones. I like the bedhead. This like very long one right here because like I need it for my curls because this is new hair. So I need like, what are they called? Interchangeable.
Oh, like
Wands.
the ones, yeah.
So I'm in the section. It's fun. I came in here for something and I got something else. So you know. Oh my god. My sweater matches my eyelids. So I'm back in my dorm. I'm currently listening to Stephanie Sue because I love her, and I decided to splurge a little and buy the Honey palette by Naked Decay. It is gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay, so it comes with like the little brush, the two-ended brush. Oh, it's me. Wow. Reflection upon reflection upon reflection. But it's beautiful. These are all, I know I have like terrible lighting in here. Oh my god. They're so sparkly though. I just put golden on my eyelids and like the tiniest little bit, and it went such a long way if you can see it. But oh my god, I love it. Oh, and it was retail for like $49. And I thought it said $39. My dumbass. So I was like, oh, $39. It's not that bad. It's $49. And then I got the 2 Purity things, which were like $20 and $18. And then $9 Sugar Bear hair things because I really wanted to try them again. But it came out to $102, and I was like, I love that this whole day vlog has just been me cutting to when I'm eating because we just got playables. You got it. What'd you get?
Power.
Papaya. I don't know what it is, but it's something interesting. And the security guy just came by and he's looking at me like I'm crazy. But look at the fountain. Look how nice it is. Oh my god. Someone did a photography thing with it and it looks so nice. And now we're just eating and then we have to catch up on some work because we didn't realize that we had readings. 4 readings for tomorrow's 8 a.m. And it's currently like, what is it? It's 8:15, 8:20 right now. So
We're dead.
yeah, we're not dead. We'll get through with it by like 10:30 maybe, so I'll be able to get to bed by 11. So it's okay. Time to enjoy the feast. So it's the end of the night. I'm in really bad lighting because we're just lit by fairy lights in here and a lava lamp. So, oh yeah. Bean is here. Ah, Mr. Bean the bear. So I'm going to bed. I have an 8 a.m. tomorrow. Andre and I just finished our readings. I had a whole like half an hour discussion upstairs with the girls, which was fun. And then yeah, wash my face. Now I'm going to bed because I really need sleep after this weekend, which was supposed to be like relaxing and stuff, but it ended up being crazy and wild. Not in the bad way, but just like it was very eventful. And I thought it'd be more calm, but you know, unexpected things happen and that's all right. It ended up being just fine. So yeah, so good night everyone.